Got to Food Depot in the perfect time, you all. Can we say God is good and God is good all the time? They were just putting out their clearance produce. And whenever they put their clearance produce out at Food Depot, it's 99 cents per pack. Now, normally I go to Nunde Moon, which is a farmer's market, and I shop in their 99 cent clearance section. But today, I was lucky enough to shop in the Food Depot clearance section, and I got there right when she was wrapping everything up. Check out my haul, you all. Each item, 99 cents per container. That means we're gonna use the items in our cooking. We're gonna take the seeds out, sow the seeds so that hopefully we don't have to go back to Food Depot in a little while, because each one of these has seeds that I am about to plant. So we'll have what we eat what we grow, and grow what we eat. Who else gets excited about gardening like that? I know I do. Check out my haul. Okay, I'm going to show you all individually. Check it out. Each thing was under $2. The most expensive pack on this table are the bell peppers, and they were $1.49. Everything else is 99 cents. Bell peppers, use some in my curry jerk chicken, save the seeds, sow some seeds. Tomatoes, use some in my cooking, save some seeds, sow some seeds. Do an experiment with some seeds. Cut a slice and put it in one pot. Have some seeds in another pot. See which one grows the best. These peppers are already dried and 99 cents. So I'm going to open them up and I'm going to put them around my greens, my collards, my mustards, my turnips, to help deter pests, because they don't seem to like peppers. And we love peppers, so the best that can happen is we have our own peppers and our greens have no holes in them. All right, here is a pack of bananas. And as you see, they are nice looking bananas in the 99 cent section. All right, this one right here is lemons and kiwi. And these are Mylar lemons. So we're gonna use the lemons like we always do. We always make tea with lemon. Cut the lemon up, take the seeds out, as well as the peel. And we're going to sow these seeds and have our own lemon trees. I got this pack because it has some type of orange in it that I don't know what it is, but I just wanted to taste it. And even though I'm in 888B Georgia zone, and they say that oranges won't grow, nothing beats a try, older people say. So I'm going to try it. The banana, I want to experiment with. I want to see if I can cut the banana open, put it in a pot, with something grow. I just want to see. This one right here, we're going to eat the grapes, and then we're going to plant the grape seeds. The blackberries, we are going to take some of these blackberries, do an experiment, see which one grows the best. Taking a whole blackberry, putting it in a pot, or taking the seeds out and putting it in a pot. Either way, we're putting it in a pot to see what happens. All right, we have the eucalyptus. I purchased this because I learned if you put this in water, let the water saturate, that you can spray your front porch, back porch area, and it helps keeps the wasps and the bees away. I have onions of each type. Well, besides the red onions, white and yellow. And you see they were 99 cents. So I'm going to use those in my jar. So if you're looking for a way to have a garden from what you already eat, purchase the things that you eat from a clearance section at whatever store you go to. Take the seeds out. Sow, plant you some seeds, and save some seeds for later. Try it and let me know how it works. Clearance section produce from Food Depot.